Ever wondered how AI drones work and what makes them so special? These are not your run-of-the-mill unmanned aerial vehicles. AI drones are equipped with advanced artificial intelligence technology, giving them the ability to fly and execute tasks all on their own. From delivering your packages to surveying agricultural fields, these drones are turning science fiction into reality. Indeed, AI drones are a marvel of modern technology. But what sets them apart from traditional drones? Drones have been around for a while, but AI drones are a whole new breed. Traditional drones are manually controlled, requiring a human operator to navigate them, while AI drones have the ability to fly autonomously. They're equipped with artificial intelligence that allows them to make decisions based on the data they collect in real time. But it doesn't stop there. The real magic happens when AI drones perform complex tasks without any human intervention. Need to survey a large agricultural field? An AI drone can do it, analyzing the data as it goes and even making decisions about where to spray pesticides. Trying to locate a missing person in a vast forest? An AI drone can cover more ground and process information faster than any human search party. So as we can see, AI drones are not just regular drones with a fancy title. They are a significant leap forward in technology. Scene script. But what are these AI drones good for? You might be surprised. Let's start with delivery. Companies like Amazon are already testing AI drones for delivering packages right to your doorstep. Imagine in a few years getting your online orders within minutes, not days. Then there's agriculture. Farmers are switching to AI drones for crop surveillance, detecting pests and diseases, and even for herding livestock. The drone's bird's-eye view combined with AI's analytical prowess means more efficient farming and healthier crops. AI drones are also making strides in search and rescue operations. They can fly over disaster-stricken areas, using thermal imaging to locate missing people faster than human-led teams ever could. And let's not forget security. AI drones can patrol large areas, identify potential threats, and alert security personnel, providing an extra layer of protection for properties. These are just a few examples of how AI drones are transforming industries. But to fully harness their potential, we need to navigate some regulatory hurdles. Like all technology, AI drones need to be regulated to ensure their safe and ethical use. Currently, the regulations for AI drones are still under development, but there are a few key areas that have garnered attention. Airspace restrictions, for instance, are crucial. Drones must operate within specific altitudes and away from restricted zones such as airports and military bases. Privacy concerns are another hot topic. With their capacity to capture high-resolution images and videos, it's vital to prevent drones from infringing on personal privacy. Safety, of course, is paramount. Regulators are working to ensure that drones can operate safely without posing risks to people or property on the ground. As AI drone technology continues to evolve, so too must the regulations. It's a delicate balancing act, fostering innovation while mitigating potential risks. Regulations are key to ensuring that we can make the most of AI drones while mitigating any risks. AI drones have the potential to revolutionize a variety of industries. We've explored how they differ from traditional drones, their versatile applications from delivery to search and rescue, and the importance of regulations for safe and ethical usage. As we navigate this exciting technological frontier, it's clear that AI drones are more than just flying robots. They're tools for a smarter, more efficient future. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content on AI and technology.